Greetings of the day. Welcome back to the SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to create 3D model of the Coca-Cola bottle in the SolidWorks. We are using this 2D drawing to create this Coca-Cola bottle. Let's start to create the bottle. Initially go to new, select part, then say OK. We will create it on the front plane. Sketch, we have to create one rectangle box of dimension 212.5 and okay, we will take it as a half 30.5 rectangle, center rectangle 212.5 30.5. Select all and make it as a construction. Fine. Now we will start creating the lines for this one. 14 and 6. Fine. Line, okay, give the dimension 12.5 and this one is a 6, depth is 0.5, if we pressing S from the keyboard, this toolbar will come. Here select the 3-point arc, it's again select S, then take a dimension 40, then 3-point arc again, sorry 200, make it as tangent, select this two and make it tangent also. Fine. 40, 200 and we have for 57.5 here. Okay. $57.5 and we have another one curve, make this two tangent and tangent with this line. Fine. Now we will take a line, which is 40, 1.1, then from bottom it's 25 and 81. If I say 25 and this one is 81, fine. Okay, now in the bottom area this is 45, 6, fine. Three-point arc, tangent, and also make it as tangent under. We will make it tangent first. Select this to tangent. Now tangent this one. This tangent is done. Now tangent this curve with this line, fine. Okay, dimension, this one is 45, 6, 7.5, 6, and this one is 7.5, and make it coincident, fine. Okay, now we have to close the counter. Select line from this point to this point. You can see here this is color is changed, means the all borders are closed. Now say OK, then exit from the sketch, revolve, center line is, I'll select this one, say OK. There is something need to be changed. Sketch, its dimension is 14, fine. Now it's perfect. Exit from the sketch. This is the basic shape of the bottle. Next we have to make this curve. For this, go to front plane, sketch, take a line from this point to this point, now 3-point arc, select this line and delete. Dimension 25, its radius is 46, and from this point to this line 65. Make these two lines equal. Select these two lines and make equal. Fine. Exit from the sketch. Extrude cut. Through all both. Say OK. All bodies OK. Now what we have to do is we have to create one plane in the angle of 45 degree of front plane and right plane. For this we have to keep this in the line. Fine. Now we have our front plane here, top plane, and this is a right plane. Okay. Now we have to create one plane on the front plane, right plane, then go to the reference geometry and select plane. Okay. In between it is created. Say OK. This is plane 1. Now we have to sketch on the plane 1. As line okay. Take a 3-point arc. Dimension 40. This 20. Select these 2 points and make it horizontal. Sketch is fully defined. Exit from the sketch. Extrude cut through all both. Fine. Say OK. Okay. Now this is a front plane and this is a plane 1. No, this is front plane and this is from the right plane. Perfect. Now we have to create this curvature from the depth. Which is 56 mm. So hide this plane for now. We have to select this top surface and then sketch. Select the circle. Smart dimension 56. Fine. Now exit from the sketch. Then select go to the split line, select this curve circle, then here we have to select this face. Okay, split line is created. Fine. Now again here also we need to create the split line. Go to the curves split line, then here we need to select this sketch, and here we need to select this surface. Say okay. Here also split line is created. Fine. Now we need to create these two curve which is 76 radius, and these two curves are 110 radius. Select front plane, take a 3-point arc, dimension 76, select this point and this curve, make it pierce. Here also select this curve and this point, make it pierce. This fully defined. Exit from the sketch. Again on the front plane, sketch 3-point arc, 76, select this point and curve, pierce point and this curve, pierce. Done. Exit from the sketch. Now we will create on the right plane. Right plane, select sketch 3-point arc. Now its dimension is 110. Select this point and this curve, make it pierce, this point, and select here. Okay, and select this curve and this point, pierce. Fine. Exit. Another last one line remains. Sketch 3-point arc, 110, select this point and this curve, pierce this point and this curve, pierce. Fine. Exit from the sketch. Okay, now we have to create this surface, lofted boss. Here select this curve and this one. Fine. Here select these guides 2, 3 and 4. Fine. Now say okay. This curve is done. See, it's looking fine. Now what you have to do is we'll give the fillet 1 mm, okay. Here also we'll give the fillet, which is also 1 mm. Say okay. This depth is, I think, more than what we designed here. So this dia is 59. So we'll make it 59. So to make it, just go to the split line, select the sketch. We are taken 56 here, just make it 59. It looks fine now. It's come almost same to this line, this point. Okay, we will give the fillet here also. Just edit this fillet. On this edge, and this edge also. Say okay. Then second fillet edit. Select this edge, and finally this edge also. Say okay. Fillet is done now. Now we have to work on this bottom part. Fine. For that we need to take on cut. Select the front plane, sketch, center line, okay. Its angle should be 122.25 and its length is 10.5. Now we will create one plane over here. Exit from the sketch, select plane, select this line and this point. In this direction a plane is created. Now we will sketch one slot to cut on this plane, to sketch, center line. I'll remove the real view graphics so we can see it clearly. Make this 2, inline, then 3-point arc, make it tangent, take this point on the center line, now give the dimension from this point, this one, take it 20, and its angle 45 degree. Here also I will make it symmetric. Now what I have to do is I need to create one center line here. Dimension from this point to this center line I take 2.8 mm. Now I will select this line and this exit from all the dimension. I need to select this circle and this center line, make it tangent. Fine. Now I need to specify the radius, which is 3 mm, okay, which is fully defined. Exit from the sketch. We have to give some curve here to cut. For that, just for now I'll hide this plane. Select the front plane, create one 3-point arc, on radius of 36. Select this 2-point, make it vertical, and I'll select this curve and this point, pierce. I'll take it on the vertical side also. Okay, this is now fully defined. Exit from the sketch. Now I have to do is swift cut. Select swift cut. Here this is profile, path is selected. I'll select the profile, say OK. Swift cut is done.